What a great day to talk about pharma! This is Clyde and I'll be discussing about nootropic and orphan drugs, only here in Vet Pharma 311. Let's go! Nootropic drugs or smart drugs are any natural or synthetic substance that may have a positive impact on mental skills. It is a class of substances that can boost brain performance. They are sometimes called cognition enhancers or memory enhancing substances. In general, nootropics fall into three general categories: dietary supplements, synthetic compounds, and prescription drugs. Examples are the caffeine in coffee, L-theanine in tea, and Bacopa monnieri found in Memo Plus Gold. On the other hand, orphan drugs are drugs that are not developed by the pharmaceutical industry for economic reasons, but which respond to public health need. Products that have not been developed are either because they are derived from a research process that cannot be patented or because they concern important markets, which are, however, not credit-worthy. For example, hemarginate used to treat acute intermittent porphyria, variegate porphyria, and hereditary coproporphyria.